Inflation in the United States was 3.1% in January, down from 3.4% in December, but higher than the forecasters had forecast. So now they think there'll be fewer rate hikes this year and maybe none till the second half, which resulted in a big pop in the US dollar last night, which in turn set the Australian dollar plunging below 65 US cents for the first time since November, and took the main US share index down 1.4% and Nasdaq down 1.8%. And that was the main reason the local market closed 0.7% lower today. And of course, Commonwealth Bank's 3.1% fall in half-yearly cash profit to a mere $5 billion was another factor. Competition for deposits meant they had to put up the interest rate they paid more than the interest rate they received, so profit margin shrank. Now, I found this interesting chart in the bank's presentation today. It basically sums up the factors behind the cost of living squeeze. Wages and other income up 8%, but price rises took 6% of that, taxes 3% and interest 2%. So with the rounding error, the overall decline in disposable income was 4%. On commodity markets, gold fell below $2,000 an ounce for the first time in a couple of months. And finally, today's Indonesian election is the 13th of 79 elections this year in which 4.2 billion people go to the polls. It's the biggest election year in world history. And that's finance.